everyone, welcome to Sahu Education. Dear student, previously we discussed so many processes of linear equation in one variable. Today we will discuss some more applications related to linear equation. So let us discuss with some example. Now we will discuss with one example. It's given here the digits of a two-digit number differ by 3. If the digits are interchanged and the resulting number is added to the original number, we get 143. What can be the original number? You know, the digits of a two-digit number differ by 3 given. So we will have to take, let the unit digit equal to x, okay, then the tens digit is equal to x plus 3, okay. Now what is the two digit number? Therefore the two digit number now is equal to 10 into tens digit, that is x plus 3, plus unit digit. Now we will simplify it, that is 10x plus 30 plus x, which is equal to 11x plus 30. Now we will interchange the digits in the two digit number, that is the tens digit will become unit digit and the unit digit will become tens digit. So the new number formed after interchanging the digits is equal to 10 into x plus 3, which is equal to 11x plus 3. And the student is given the original number added with the new number after interchanging the digit is equal to 143. So we will write down the original number is 11x plus 30, which is added with the new number, that is 11x plus 3 is equal to 143. So now add variable with the variable. So 11x plus 11x, that is 22x, plus 30 plus 3, 33, equal to 143. Now 22x equal to 143 minus 33, which is equal to 110. Okay. Now x will be equal to 110 by 22. So it will be divisible by 11. So we will write 11 2 jar, then 11 1 0, 10. 10 by 2. After solving we got x equal to 5. And it's given, find out the original number. Original number is in the form of 11x plus 30. Therefore we will write the original number is equal to 11 into 5 plus 30, that is 55 plus 30, that is 85. This is the answer of this question. Now come to next question. It's given Arjun is twice as old as Shriya. 5 years ago his age was 3 times Shriya's age. Find their present age. So Arjun is twice as old as Shriya given. We have to take, let Shriya's age, let Shreya's age equal to X year and Arjun's age is equal to twice of Shreya, so it is 2x years. Okay, and it's given 5 years ago. Okay, 5 years ago their age will be 5 subtracted from x to get the Shreya's age 5 years ago. So we'll write 5 years ago Shreya will be x minus 5 and Arjun will be 2x minus 5. Okay, and it's given 5 years ago his age was 3 times Shreya's age. That is Arjun's age after before 5 years is equal to 3 times the Shreya's age. That is 3 whole over x minus 5. Okay. Now we'll simplify this one to get the value of x. Okay. Here 2x minus 5 equal to 3 will multiply with the h as well as 5. So 3 into x 3x minus 3 into 5 15. Okay. Now we will exchange variable to one side and the numbers to another side. So let us exchange 2x to the right hand side and left side it will be minus 5 and minus 15 transposed to left side. So it will be plus 15 which is equal to 3x minus 2x. So minus 5 plus 15 is equal to 10. So x equal to 10. We know x value is 10. It's after given find their present age. So let us say the Shreya's present age equal to 10 years and Arjun equal to 2x, that is 2 into 10, 20 years. Okay, this way we will have to solve some more questions related to exercise 2.4. Now we will start exercise 2.4. Question 1 is given. Amina think of a number and subtracts 5 by 2 from it. She multiplies the result by 8. The result now obtained is 3 times the same number she thought of. What is the number? Try to understand. Amina think of a number and subtract 5 by 2 from it. So we will take, let the number Amina thought, let the number Amina thought equal to x. Okay, and 5 by 2 subtracted from it, so x minus 5 by 2, and she multiply the result by 8. So we multiply 8 with the result. The result now obtained is means equal to 3 times the number she thought, that is 3 into x. Okay, now we will multiply 8 with x as well as 5 by 2. So 8 into x, that is 8x, minus 8 into 5 by 2. So 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja, equal to 3x. Next step we will write down 8x minus 5 4 ja, 20, equal to 3x. Okay, now we will transpose 3x to the left hand side. It will be minus 3x, and 20 transpose to the right, it will be plus 20. So now this is 5x equal to 20 and x equal to 20 by 5 equal to 4. X value is 4 here. So what is the number? We have taken the number is x. So we will write the conclusion. Therefore, the number Amina thought is equal to 4. Okay. Now we will discuss the question number 2. It's given a positive number is 5 times another number. If 21 is added to both the numbers, then one of the new number becomes twice the other new number. What are the numbers? So we will take here, let another number be x. Let another number be x. Then the positive number is equal to 5 times. So 5 times of x is 5x. Okay, and 21 is added on both. After adding 21 on both, one will be x plus 21 and another will be 5x plus 21. Okay, then it's given one number will be, let 5x plus 21 will be equal to twice the other number, 2 whole of x plus 21. This is the relation. Now we will simplify this relation to get the value of x. So it's given here 5x plus 21, which is equal to 2 into x, 2x plus 21 into 2, that is 42. Okay, now we will exchange variables to one side and numbers to another side. So it will be 5x minus 2x is equal to 42 minus 21, that is 3x equal to 21, and next x is equal to 21 by 3, as 3 multiplied with x in the left side, it will transpose and divided in the right hand side. So after simplification we will get x equal to 7. So according to the question, we have to find out what are the numbers. Then we will write here, therefore another number is equal to 7 and the positive number is equal to, we have taken 5x. So 5 7 are 35. Clear? Now we will discuss question number 3. Okay, so listen properly what's given here. Sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. When we interchange the digits, it is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. What is the 2-digit number? Okay, we will write, let the unit digit is equal to x, the tens digit is 9 minus x. Okay, therefore the 2-digit number is equal to 10 into tens digit plus unit digit, which is equal to 90 minus 10x plus x. It is 90 minus 9x. Then we will interchange the digits. So we will write, after interchanging after interchanging the digits, the two-digit number is equal to 10 into x plus 9 minus x. It will be 10x plus 9 minus x, that is 9x plus 9. Okay, it's given the original number form, that is 9x plus 9 differ from the new number form differ from the original number by 27. So we will write 9x plus 9 is equal to 90 minus 9x plus 27. Okay, now we will write 9x, and from the 9x from right side it will come to left side, it will become plus 9x, and plus 9 from the left side will transpose and it will become minus 9. So we will write down 18x equal to, after solving we will get 108. X is equal to 108 by 18. So let us simplify it. 9 2 ja 9, 1 ja, then 2 ja, so 2 1 ja, 2 6 ja. So we will write x equal to 6. Therefore it's given here to find out the two-digit number. Therefore the two-digit number equal to 90 minus 9x, that is 9 into 6. 90 minus 54. Now 8 minus 5 is 36. So this is the answer of question number 3. Here given in question number 4, one of the two-digit number of a two-digit number is 3 times the other digit. If you interchange the digits of this two-digit number and add the resulting number to the original number, you get 88. What is the original number? So we'll have to see the first point. It's given one of the two-digit of a two-digit number is 3 times the other digit. So we'll write down, let the unit digit be x, then the tens digit is equal to 3 times the other digit, that is 3x. Okay, now we'll write down the two-digit number equal to 10 into tens digit plus unit digit, that is 10 into 3 30x plus x. That is 31x. Okay. Now after interchanging the digits, after interchanging the digits, the new number formed is equal to 10 into x plus 3x, that is 13x. Okay, and given the add of 31x added with the 13x is equal to 88 given. Okay, now this one equal to 44x, this is equal to 88 and x equal to 88 divided by 44, because 44 was multiplied with the x in the left side, it transposed to the right hand side and divided with 88. So after substitution we will get x value equal to 2. Now we will have to find out the 2-digit number, that is therefore the 2-digit number equal to 31 into x, 31 into 2, that is 62. Okay, this is the answer of question number 4. Now come to question number 5. It's given Shobha's mother's present age is 6 times Shobha's present age. Shobha's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. What are their present age? Okay, first line, come to first line. It's given Shobha's mother's present age is 6 times Shobha's present age. So we will take Shobha's present age be x and his mother's present age be 6x. Let Shobha's present age is equal to x years and his mother's present age is equal to 6 times of his age, that is 6x years. Okay, it said after 5 years Shobha's age is equal to 1/3 of the present age of his mother. So we will write down 5 years after Shobha's age is equal to x plus 5. According to the relation, is x plus 5 equal to 1/3 of the present age of Shobha, that is 6x. Okay. Now we will solve this to get the answer. X plus 5 equal to 3 1 ja 3 2 ja, that is 2x. Now transpose x from left side to right hand side, that is 2x minus x. So we will get x equal to 5. And it's given here what are their present age. Therefore we will write down the present age. The present age of Shobha equal to 5 years and his mother is equal to 6 into 5, that is 30 years. Okay, this is the end of question number 5. Now we will discuss question number 6. There is a narrow rectangular plot reserved for a school in Moguli village. The length and breadth of the whole plot are in the ratio 11:4. At the rate of 100 per meter, it will cost the village panchayat rupees 75,000 to fence the plot. Okay, what are the dimensions of the plot? We will have to take, let length be 11x and breadth be 4x. Write down, let the length equal to 11x and breadth is equal to x 4x meter. Okay, then it's given to fence around the rectangular plot. Fence means it's a perimeter, so we'll find out perimeter. Perimeter is equal to 2 whole of length plus breadth, so 2 whole of 11x plus 4x, that is 2 into 15x is equal to 30x meter. Again, it's given here the cost per meter is 100 and total cost is 75,000 rupees for fencing. So perimeter value is equal to total cost divided by cost per meter. Okay, cost per meter. So total cost is 75,000 divided by 100. So this is equal to 750 meter. Okay. Now this 750 meter is equal to 30x. Okay, we will write down 30x equal to 750 meter. So x equal to 750 by 30. 0 0 cancel. 3 2 ja, then 3 answer. 25 meter. X we got that 25 meter. So we'll have to find out length. Length equal to 11x. 11 into 25 meter. So we'll multiply is equal to 275 meter. Okay, this length, then breadth. Breadth equal to 4x, 4 into 25, that is 100 meter. Okay, we'll discuss question number 7. It's given here. Hassan buys two kinds of cloth material for school uniform. Shirt material that costs him rupees 50 per meter and trouser material that cost him rupees 90 per meter. For every 2 meter of trouser material he buys 3 meter of shirt material. He sells the materials at 12% and 10% profit respectively. His total sale is rupees 36,660. How much trouser material did he buy? For 2 meter of shirt material, trouser material, Hassan brought 3 meter of shirt material. So let us write, let the trouser material equal to 2x meter and shirt material equal to 3x meter. Okay, and hence given here cost price of the trouser material is 90 per meter and shirt material per meter is 50 rupees, and he gains profit of 12% on trouser material and 10% profit on shirt material. So we'll find out the selling price of trouser material as well as the shirt material. So write down trouser material selling price means SP of trouser material per meter is equal to 90 plus he gains 12% profit on 90. So 90 into 12 by 100, which is equal to, after solving, will get rupees 180 paisa. Okay. Similarly, we need to find out to SP of shard material. Shard material per meter, which is equal to 50 plus he gains 10% profit on the shard material. So 10% on 50 rupees, that is 50 into 10 by 100. So 0 0 0 0 cancel. It will be equal to rupees. After solving, we get rupees 50 plus 5, 55 rupees. Okay. Then we will have to write down total amount on 2x meter of trouser material, total amount on the shard material of 3x meter. So we will write down total amount of 2x meter trouser material that is equal to 2x into 100.80, that is equal to 201.60 x. Okay. Then total amount of 3x meter shard material equal to 3x into 55, which is equal to 165x. Okay. Sum of 165x plus 201.60x is equal to given 36,660. So write down 165x plus 201.60x, which is equal to 36,660. So we'll add 165 plus 201.60, which is equal to 3 366.60x equal to 36,660. Now we'll write down x equal to 36,666 divided by 336.60. After simplification, we will get x equal to 6. Okay, x equal to 6. Here given how much trouser material did he buy. So given here to find out the trouser material, that is 2x meter. So we will write down, therefore the trouser material is equal to 2 into 100, that is 200 meter. Okay, this is the solving process of question number 7. Now we'll go to question number 8. It's given here, half a herd of deer are grazing in the field and 3/4 of the remaining are playing nearby. The rest 9 are drinking water from the pond. Find the number of deers in the herd. So we'll have to take, let the number of deers in the herd be X. Let the number of deers in the herd equal to X. Okay, and it's given half of the herd of the deer are grazing in the field. So number of deers grazing in the field is equal to half of X, that is X by 2, and it's given 3/4 of the remaining are playing nearby. So after we see here number of grazing deers is X by 2, then how many deers are remain? So remaining deer is equal to half X minus X by 2, that is equal to X by 2, means half of the herd are remaining there. So from the half of the herd, 3/4 are playing nearby. Number of, so we'll write down number of deers playing nearby is equal to 3/4 of the remaining, that is X by 2. We'll write it is 3X by 8. Okay, and 9 are drinking water from the pond. So we'll add all these, which is equal to X. We'll write X by 2 plus 3X by 8, and the 9 who are drinking water from the pond is equal to total number of deers in that herd. Okay, this is the relation. We'll take LCM of 2 and 8. What is the LCM of 2 and 8? Find out. So it will be, LCM will be 8. So better to multiply 8 on both sides. Okay, and that is 8 into X by 2 plus 3X by 8 plus 9 equal to 8X. Now we'll multiply 8 in each term. So 8 into X by 2, 2 4 ja, plus 8 into 3X by 8, 8 cancelled, plus 8 into 9 equal to 8X. Now come here, first one is 4X plus 3X plus 72 equal to 8X. Now 7X plus 72 is equal to 8X. Now 7X transpose from left side to right side, it will be 8X minus 7X, that is X is equal to 72. Therefore we will write down the number of deers in the herd be 72. Therefore the number of deers in the herd equal to 70. Okay, now we'll come to question number 9. Here given a grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. He is also 54 years older than her. Find their present ages. Okay. First point we have to remember, a grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. So we will write down, let the age of granddaughter be x and the grandfather be 10x. Let us write, let the age of granddaughter equal to x years and age of grandfather is 10 times of granddaughter, that is 10x years. Okay. He is also 54 years older than her. Okay. So we'll write down 10x means the grandfather is given 10x is equal to x plus 54 years. Okay. So this is the relation. Now we'll solve. We'll transpose x to the left hand side. It will be 10x minus x, which is equal to 54. 9x equal to 54. Then x equal to 54 by 9. 9 6. So we'll write down here given, find their present age. Therefore present age of granddaughter is equal to 6 years and the age of grandfather equal to 6 into 10, that is 60 years. Okay, so this is the answer of 9. Now we will discuss question number 10. Question number 10 is given, Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. 10 years ago he was 5 times his son's age. Find their present age. Let the present age of son be x. Let us write, let the present age of son equal to x years. Okay. And Aman's age is equal to 3 times son's age, so 3 into x years. It said 10 years ago he was 5 times his son's age. 10 years ago, 10 years ago, son's age equal to x minus 10 and Aman's age equal to 3x minus 10. Here given 3x minus 10 equal to it's given 10 years ago he was 5 times his sons, that is 3x minus 10 equal to 5 times of son's age, that is x minus 10. This is the relation. We will simplify to get value of x. Now solve here. 3x minus 10 equal to 5 into x, 5x minus 5 into 10, 50. So transpose 3x to the right hand side and 50 to the left hand side. It will be minus 10 plus 50. That is equal to 5x minus 3x. So this is 40 equal to 2x. This implies x equal to 40 by 2. That is 20. So present age of son is 20 years and his father is 3 into 20, that is 6 years. Let us write the conclusion. So the age of son equal to 20 years and age of Aman equal to 3 into 20, that is 60 years. Okay, this is the last question of this exercise 2.4. If you like my videos, then like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for latest notification. Thank you all.